Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily change the clothes of your AI influencer or any picture you want using Lovart AI. It's super quick, fun, and the results are amazing. But before we get right into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It keeps me motivated to bring you more content like this. First, click the link in the video description and you will be taken to a page like this. Click on Design Now and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. I'll sign into mine since I already have an account. Once you are in, you'll see a homepage like this. Scroll down and click on the plus sign that says New Project. You will then be redirected to this page. On the right side of the page, you'll see a chatbot. That's where we'll do all the magic. Now, click on the plus sign to upload the influencer or image you want to change the clothes of. After the image has been uploaded successfully, paste in any clothing prompt you want your picture to be wearing, and click Enter. Wait a few seconds, and the AI will do the rest of the work for you. You can get the clothing prompt from ChatGPT. Just describe the outfit you want your influencer to be wearing. Now you can see that the image have been created. To download, right-click on the picture, select Download, and it will be saved to your device. Now, here is the image we uploaded along with the result Lovart AI gave us. To prove its accuracy, I'll upload another image and change its clothes. Since I've already shown you the process, I'll go faster with this one. Here is the second image we uploaded and its result. And that's it. As you can see, Lovart AI does a perfect job at changing outfits with just a simple prompt. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you want me to try this with different outfit styles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.